Hi everyone, thanks for joining in. Uh, Welcome Razveer. Let's wait for a minute, right? Then we'll start. Hi, so today we have Isa. Isa.
Hi Sumit, hi everyone. So I am Isha and I have built a demo app for this webinar to show how to integrate a voice and a video in the Unity. Let me just so quickly show you. Okay, so yeah, this is an app that we can build with the Unity SDK.
Perfect, awesome. So I guess we can start now, right? Let me share my screen. Is it visible? Perfect. Okay, perfect. So hey everyone, I'm Sumit. I'm developer advocate at VDSTK.live. And today we are diving into how we can integrate voice into Unity games. We have Isa with us. She's senior developer at VDSTK.live. Hi, Isa. Hi again.
Yeah.
So, okay, awesome. So, as Isa just show you what we are going to build in this webinar. So, we are going to build a simple Unity game where we can have real time communication. Okay, so let me start quickly. I'm not going to waste a lot of time. So here's the plan. First, we talk about why in-game voice is important in Unity games. Then I'll introduce you to what we have built, Unity SDK, of course. Then we'll explore what kind of games and experiences you can build with it. And finally, Isa will guide you through implementation steps. Before we jump in, just a quick bit about us. We are VDSTK. We provide infrastructure for online meetings. So we are passionate about building immersive virtual experiences. Uh, so we provide real-time audio video infrastructure that is trusted by a large number of developers and across various industries. And now we are bringing this same technology into a Unity game. Next, let's talk about numbers. So, what is it that help us to build this Unity game? So, we found a gap, right? So there was less engagement in game before. So whenever you were playing a multiplayer game, there wasn't enough engagement, right? And because of that, as a game developer, we had to pay for us because there isn't much engagement. So voice game obviously is crucial for us. It directly impact how player experience your game. When in-game communication is there, obviously players stay longer, they come back more, and obviously it add more value in your system. So yeah, it is important. Okay, so how do you actually add this to your game? Without going deep into WebRTC or spinning up media servers, that's where VD SDK, Unity SDK comes in. It is designed for game developers, especially those who don't want to manage backend infrastructure or stitch together five different tools. It's very simple. It's plug and play, cross-platform, and handles everything from signaling to stream optimization. You can embed voice and even video. Okay, so next, let's understand what exactly you can do with it. Okay, so in Unity SDK, you have a whole bunch of feature like real-time audio, video. There are also some collaborative feature, and obviously you can go live to different platform like YouTube, Discord, and there are other platform as well. So you get all the essentials for multiplayer communication. So there is real-time voice, in-game chat, participant control. So Isa will help you with that, all the technical detail. All right, so this is what we are going to display in this video. So we'll keep it very simple. So we will show how you can create a simple game lobby, how you can manage media streams like audio, video, stuff like that. Okay, so now I won't go into code in great detail. So Isa will take care of it. But here's the high level overview. First, we are going to initialize our SDK. So there we will show like what are the steps to start with. Then we will understand different event architecture. So when there is a game, right, we want to listen to different event, like who is joining the game, who has left the game. So there are events. Okay, so next, what we're gonna do? We So I'm going to invite Isa next. So we have everything ready for you. We have a working example. We have docs ready for you, and you can also join our Discord community. Okay, so now I would like to invite Isa.
Hey Sumit, thank you for the intro. So let me just quickly share my screen so we can start over it, right? Hope my screen is visible, right? So let's we will go over the setup process, how to install the SDK, initialize the video SDK, and joining the meeting. By the end of it, we can like you will be ready to start building your own real time experience in a Unity, right? So let's before diving into it, let's go to the prerequisite. So you need a Unity setup. Video SDK account to generate a token, and the development environment, it could be either Android or iOS. Then next we have to import a video SDK package. For it you have to go to the package manager. In that you have to click a plus icon over there, like a top level corner, and select add package from the git URL, and just you have to paste this URL and click add. By doing that, the video SDK package will be installed in your Unity project. Next thing is to set up an instruction. First, let's go with the Android setup. So here we are add the repository to add our Android SDK. For that, in that settings or template.gradle file, you have to add this repository. Next thing is to install the Android SDK. For that, in the main template.gradle file, you have to add a implementation part here like this. And if your project has a set android.use android x to true, then you have to set a enable chattifier to true to avoid duplicate class conflicts. And next is for the iOS. For that you have to open the project in the Xcode, and from that you have to go to the general tab like this, and you have to scroll to framework libraries embedded content. In that you have to add a video SDK and its required framework as shown in this image. So that's it for the setup part. Let's go to the UI part. So for the simplicity, we have just created two panels for it. First one is a joining panel, and the second one is a meeting panel. So in the joining panel, like user can either create or join the meeting, and in the meeting panel, where the participants interact during a meeting. So in the joining panel, we have created two buttons and the text field. Create the two buttons for the create and join, and the text field for the meeting ID for input. And in the meeting panel, we have created uh, uh, three buttons for the toggling part for and leave the meeting, and the video prefab to show the rendering part of the participant. Since like you, if you are integrating a video part, then you can continue with this. I am skipping this now for now. Okay, so since we are working with the audio part, so in the Android you need a permission for it. So you need to add a audio permission in your manifest file, and you also have to ask a runtime permission for it. So you just have to copy paste this code, and that's it. You don't need to do anything else for it. After it, just we have to just create and join a meeting. For that, video SDK provides a meeting class. It is a singleton class, so you can get a object, right, from by calling the get meeting object method. From that you will get a meeting object. From that you can call any methods, right? So for the creating the meeting, we have a method create meeting ID that you have to set a token as in the parameter. From that you will get two callbacks. First one is on create meeting id callback, and the second one is on create meeting id fail callback. So the when the successfully created a meeting, it will be provided through the on create meeting id callback. And if let's say there is a network issue, or there is a like invalid token, then on create meeting id fail callback will be triggered with the error message. So it's a good thing to have this callback, so you will get to know what is happening, right? And after let's say if you have a meeting id already, then you can just call the join meeting with the token, meeting id, participant name, and the state of the mic and the video. So the good thing about is that you can also pass here a custom meeting id. So there is a no need a pattern or something. You can just create a custom meeting id from your side and pass it here. Yeah. Second, the next part is managing participants and vendor rendering. Since we are talking about the voice here only, so I'm skipping this part. But if you are interested to integrate a video part in your game or in your Unity project, you can continue with this part. Okay. The next is the toggling camera and mic. So we have a method which is a set video and the set audio. In that, we you just have to pass a boolean thing, like to enable true and the false otherwise, right? And to leave the meeting, you just have to pass you just have to call the leave method from the meeting object. And that's it. Like you have just integrate audio and video calling into your Unity project. Also, we have a callbacks on stream enable and on stream disable. Like if you want to show a UI that this stream is unable or disable, the camera is unable or disable, then you can use this callback as well. So the on-stream enable call will be triggered when the camera or microphone is unable, and on-stream disable likewise, the camera and microphone is disabled, right? So yeah, that's it. This is a full example code, and you can also check out our GitHub repository to show how it is implemented. And you will end up with integrating voice and audio video calling into your Unity project. So let me just quickly show the demo how this UI, and we will create a meeting from the start, so you can get know okay, how this work, right? So let me just share my screen. Yeah, is it visible, right?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah. So I'm just taking a permission here and create meeting. Yeah, I just integrated a video part. So yeah, I'm just toggling the webcam here, and to leave, just leave it. Yeah, that's it for my side.
Thanks, Isa. Thanks for such a nice explanation. Okay, so we also have one more news for you. So we provide 10,000 free minutes, so there is enough time for you to explore our product, and we request you to just try it out and share your feedback with us. Uh, Once again, thanks, Isa, for joining in. Now we can take few questions. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Yeah, we'll share a documentation link. It's also in show notes, so you can get it there. Let me just quickly share it with you. Okay, so now I guess we can end this session. Thanks everyone. Thanks for joining in.
Thank you guys.